see, it is very easy with these simple tips. We are this can help you manage your pages create a summary while ChatGPT or other tools you just have to put that this prompt it will create summary of pages that can save your time, your effort. And the second prompt as well is that create one page notes for this chapter before idea so you can give number of pages. How much summary do you want? Do you want a one-page summary, two-page summary, three-page summary? You can just give a prompt and give number of pages. It will create your summary in no time. So these are the two prompts that can give you a chapter summary, which you can use to revise your whole subject. Here are these prompts. Don't worry about the prompts. If you want this prompt, you just message in this live stream or even after later in the comment box. I will send you these prompts. Now let's move on to our third section, that is concept breakdown. If you see here, you have two prompts for creating a breakdown of a complex concept into subtopics. For each include definition, short explanation, formula, and a real world example that make it easy to understand effortlessly. In the second prompt, generate in-depth concept notes explaining topic, cover what it means, how it works, why it matters, and how to apply it practically. Present in short and digestible paragraph with bolded keywords. So here we will see again with an example. Give it a topic with a ChatGPT. Here we have added the prompt. Again, we are going to add the same topic title we have added earlier, that is related to climate changes, causes and effects. Here we have replaced it with the topic. Now let's see how it reacts or doing things for us. Now you see the result or output is different than the earlier prompts. Here it gives us what climate change means. It gives a paragraph rather than giving bullet points or key takeaway. Here it giving more details, practical examples, bolding the keywords as we have given in the command, and bringing more explained or brief answer of each of the section. So it is very easy. Here we can also create a real summary of a page. So these prompts or commands creating much ease for users to create notes for study or presentation. Now we are moving ahead to our our next point. Next, our prompts are for creating lecture notes. If you are a teacher or a lecturer, want to create notes for your lecture, then these prompts will help you very much. Or if you are a student as well, it will create transcript into well-organized study notes with major topics, subtopics, examples, and the professor's main point. Sorry, it's for students, not for teachers. You can convert this lecture transcript into well-organized study notes with major topics. In the second prompt, this will record the lecture into clean, easy to revise notes, include all key concepts, formulas, and practical applications discussed by the speaker. So again, it will create summaries or subtopics, and you have to not wait long or study the whole lecture. You can get the key points or major topics covered by the teacher in exam or in the lecture. Sorry. Next, we have science note. These prompts will help you to create science notes on any of the topic you will give it with. The prompt said create structured science notes on topic that includes definitions, label process steps, causes and effects, relationships, and real-world application to use bullets for clarity. If we use the second prompt, it says that summarize this scientific concept, including any relevant laws, principles, diagrams, example from experiment or daily life. So again, we will check these prompts and see how it will perform. We have copied the prompts and giving again to ChatGPT, adding our topic that is related to climate causes and effects, climate change. Here we have added the topic. Now let's see how it brings results for us. Here it brings the definition, holds the keyword, brings the greenhouse effect for process, label process steps, enhance greenhouse effect. So you see the AI tools are reacting to our prompts. As we give them direction, they will bring us the result. Better we have the prompt, better we have the results. So we have to mainly focus on our prompts. And keep in mind, these prompts we have provided today are the basic prompts. You can add more details, give more specific instruction to create better notes for you. In the coming live stream, we will also bring you the advanced AI prompts that would help more to create these type of notes. Then we have prompt for language and literature notes. You can create literature study notes for a poem, novel, or story, including summaries, themes, tone, symbolism, and important quotes explained simply. You can also summarize the literary elements of this work, character arcs, conflicts, writing styles, and author's purpose, formatted for students preparing for SEO exam. So you see, poems, novels, or stories are much longer, and you have to spend a lot of time to create a summary or note for that. So to make that work easy, we have given you the prompts that can make your work easier. It will give you your desired results in just seconds, even not in minutes. Within seconds, you will get your results. You just have to add the prompt, give the instruction, add your poem, novel, or story, and it will bring you the results. Next are the math notes. Math is considered much difficult for most of the people, where there is a lot of data in it and a lot of formulas, calculations. Mostly students or people try to avoid that. For that, we have giving you the prompts, that is generate math study notes for the topic, include key formulas, definitions, solved examples, and a brief explanation of each step in calculation. Summarize the essential mathematical formulas, when to apply them, and include one example per formula with a short step-by-step solution. So these prompts will help you to get quicker results even with the complex formulas. When you are dealing with complex mathematical formulas, you need much time to understand, and even a smaller mistake in the formula will get your hours. So to avoid all these steps or efforts, these prompts will help you to create math notes, which take much time than other subjects or other notes. Math is most difficult for most of the people than any other subject. Sometimes you don't remember the formulas or the definitions, or not know how to do it in a proper way, step by step. You sometimes miss different steps in maths. But these prompts, there is no chance of forgetting the formula or any step. So it will create ease for you to follow these prompts and these AI tools that helps you to create your notes in no time. Now let's move to our next topic, or next prompt, that is history notes. You can generate history notes summarizing events or period with plots, timelines, major figures, outcomes, and a global impact structure like a quick reference guide. Summarize this era in history with a clear heading for political, social, and economic changes. Include 2 to 3 key points and with outcomes. History is also considered boring for some of the people, because it includes different dates, different events, different eras. So people try to avoid these because it needs a lot of your time, your effort to create these type of notes, because you have to collect different data from different sources, different references. That is a great headache for most of the people. But this prompt will help you to create that type of notes in no time, where you can guide the ChatGPT or any other platform to generate history notes, summarize those notes with causes, timelines, major figures, outcomes, and global impact. Again, it will save you a lot of time. You just have to give maybe time range to analyze, to create your history notes related to that period of time. or you can give your events or uh, any other special events to create data or notes for you. Now let's move to our next prompts that are related to computer sciences notes. These prompts will help to create study notes for topic like data structures, AI, including the definitions, code syntax, advantages, and use cases, use a table format, need it for clarity. It can summarizes the common topics by explaining concepts step by step with small call snippets and formats, showing how it works in practice. Here we check out the prompt, how it works. Let's see in the chat GPT how this prompt works. Let's see, we are asking about data structures. Let's see how ChatGPT reacts to it. It's providing us introduction to data structure, arrays, providing its definition, syntax, advantages, limitation, use cases. Then it also provides the linked list, providing stacks, cube, tree, drop. So you see how ChatGPT has provided us results in no time in structured data, where it has given us a table with the features and details, name the features and give definition, then it gives its advantages, limitations, use cases. So creating these type of notes take you a lot of time. To avoid that, you can use these type of prompts. Now let's move to our next prompts that are related to business and economic notes. For those who are reading or studying about business and economics, these prompts are for you. These will summarize business and economic concept into actionable notes with bullet points explaining the ideas, formulas, and real life application examples. These can generate structured business notes that cover definitions, diagrams, theories, and example of companies using this principle. We are going to test this as well. Let's see how ChatGPT give us the results. Here we have given the topic, summarize capital investment, and here is provided us the results with the definition, its purpose, type of capital investment. They have created a table for ease that can easily understandable, given us the formulas, also explaining the terms used, given the advantages, disadvantages, real life application examples. So these prompts help you in business and economic notes. You just have to add your article topic. The rest of the work is done by the ChatGPT or any other tool you like to use. With this, we are moving towards our next slide that is related to psychology notes. Where prompt says that create psychology study notes on topic, summarizing theories, experiments, contributions, contributors, and practical uses. It highlights the difference between related theories. It can also summarize major psychological models, their organization, method of testing and results, and with a comparison table of each theory. So these will help psychology students. Now we were moving towards law notes. Law is also a vast subject where you have to read a lot of things to create your notes or summarizing them. Here we are providing two of the prompts to make it easier for you to create notes. Here is generate concise legal study notes on law or case, includes legal definition, case facts, judgments, and precedent established. In the second prompt, you can summarize the key section of act or law, explain what each clause means with example and simplified languages. Next is for geography notes. You can create geography study notes for your desired topics, explaining land reforms, landforms, climate conditions, and their causes with a global example. You can summarize human geography points like population trends, migration, urbanization, and make it visual with short database points. If you are studying related to geography, you can use these type of prompts. You can also create your own prompts by giving them more specific details what you want to get in your notes. To clarity, these are the basic prompts we are giving in this live stream. In our further live stream, we will give the advanced tools, advanced AI prompts for you that will create more ease. So join with our channel, like our video, subscribe our channel to keep yourself updated with the latest prompts, news related to AI. We are also going to conduct live stream for different AI tools as well. With this, we are moving ahead toward our next prompts that are related to arts and humanity notes that summarizes art movements or philosopher. It includes origin, main characteristics, techniques, and famous contributors. Secondly, you can create notes that explain artistic themes, color theory, historical influence in easy language for art students. You can try these prompts yourself. We have limited time. We cannot practically do all the prompts. So these are the prompts you can use yourself. If you get the desired results, then definitely comment in the comment box that these prompts have given you benefits. If not, also comment in the comment box. We will try to bring the better prompts and better live stream for you with your feedback. Now we are moving ahead towards our next prompts that are related to exam revision and notes. You can generate exam cram notes for any subject or topic. Includes only most rememberable facts, formulas, and high yield example. It summarizes the entire topic into a one-page last-minute revision, short bullets, no fluff, only key points. You have noted in exam periods, it is difficult to read all the your desired notes in the minimum time. So to avoid that, these prompts will create short summaries of entire topics, short facts that are easy to remember. You can watch them in last minutes or last hours to keep you updated with all the notes. You don't have to read all the article or all the notes, all the subject, all the topic. You just read these short notes and you will get revised with all your data. That will avoid the burden of the exam. So these prompts are important if your exam is near and you are preparing for your exam. Then we have the flashcard prompts. Create 20 flashcards from the text, one key question or term per card with concise answer. You can also generate QI flashcards with active recall. Front slide should ask, back should define or explain it clearly. Now these are the prompts for creating essay or summarizing the essay. Summarize your arguments for or against essay topic. Provide 2 examples each and conclude with a short summary sentences. You can also generate essay planning notes including outline, intro, 3 body points, conclusion, arguments, supporting evidence. Essay writing is also hard for some of the people. They don't know how to start and how to end and what to include in the body points of the essay. So these are the prompts that can do all the headache for you and bring you the better results, and you don't need to have get the headache, and the prompts will do all the work for you. It will summarizes all the subject or topic and generate notes for you or essay for you that includes intro, key body points, or conclusion. So if you are writing an essay or any other thing, it will be easy to create that for any topic. Now we are moving ahead to our next prompt, that is visual notes, where you can describe a visual mind map layout for topic with main idea at center and 5 to 6 branches for subtopics. Generate visual concept notes showing how the ideas link. You can label each branch with the example and explanation. In our next prompt, you can create table format notes. Tables are mostly easy to understand, so people prefer to get data in table format, where you can get much information in less time, as we have shown you previously. Again, with example, we show how easy it is to create table data. we are giving prompt to the chat GPT. Asking me to create a table for capital investment topic. Here it has created a well formatted table for us that defines most of the things for capital investment. That includes concept, explanation, examples, formulas, quick facts. And in concepts, it has given capital investment, expansion investment, replacement investment, modernization investment, diversification. So it has covered most of the topics as well and gives their explanations, examples, formulas, quick facts. So you see how easy it is with prompts to generate your desired results. With this, we are moving ahead towards our quick memory notes that create memory notes using RAMs, seconds for each concept. It summarizes the most difficult concept into one-line memory. Takes for fast recall before exam. Same we have done in the previous exam revision notes. In the same way, this prompt act as well and give you quick memory notes that are easy to remember before exam. With that, we are moving ahead to our next notes. These are notes for beginners. It will create beginner-friendly study notes that explain a topic step by step using simple words and relatable examples. It will simplify complex ideas into short sentences and add different items to make learning easy for new students. So sometimes results generated by ChatGPT are difficult to understand for beginners, but with these prompts, it is easy for beginners as well to understand these notes, or articles, or topics, because with this prompt, the results are generated with simple language, and simplifying complex ideas or topics, where AI will create short sentences that are easy to understand for most of the users or most of the students. Next prompts are for advanced learners. These are for those who are not beginners. They can easily understand things and want an in-depth analysis of the topic. So these prompts help to create in-depth analytic notes for any topics, advanced theories, controversies, and references to the major authors. These prompts also summarizes complex academic level material into compact yet insightful expert notes suitable for researchers. So if you are doing an advanced research or you are an advanced learner, these prompts will help you to get in-depth analysis. You can get more details to create your notes. The next prompt is for digital notes formatting. You can generate digital Notion style notes with the clear headings, emojis, and divided lines for each topic section. You can also create the markdown formatted notes using bullet points, bold headers, and concise summaries for online sharing. So if you are creating the notes for digital formatting, These prompts will help you and do most of the work for you, where you don't need have to add goals or headers or bullet points. These prompts will do all the work for you. Next is organized structure. If you have an article that is long to read, this prompt will help you structure these notes with this format like definition, explanation, example, quick summary, quiz question. Secondly, it generates hierarchical notes like main topic, subtopic, supporting ideas, example, gives you a key takeaway. You just have to give this prompt to get your scattered or disorganized data into structured data. Next is for study planner notes, where you can design a 7-day notes or 30 days or 6-month note taking and revision plan for subject, outlining what to cover each day. It will also break this topic into small daily notes section, each ending with one quiz, one short quiz or self-check question. So if you are planning to revise your all data in a given time, you can give instructions with this prompt to ChatGPT. It will create a short plan or a long plan that can make it easier for you to revise or study that in given time. The next is research paper notes. You can summarize this research paper abstract, methodology, results, and conclusion into concise academic study notes. It can also create comparative study notes combining 2 to 3 research papers that will highlight key findings, differences, and implications. Next are the presentation notes. That will help you if you are going to give a presentation in university or any other business, giving an online presentation. These prompts will help you and save much of your time. Where you can give prompts like convert this content into presentation style notes for bullet points for each slide with the short punchy language, summarizes each main idea into speaking notes with brief transitions and examples for oral presentation. Next prompts are for group study notes. If you are a group of 3 or 4 friends and you want to make a group study, then these prompts will help you for creating group friendly notes with main ideas and 3 discussion questions per topic for collaborative learning. Secondly, it will create shared study notes summarizing each concept and one example question for group debate. You can also create notes from video or podcast. You can ask the ChatGPT or any other AI tool to summarize the video transcript into timestamp study notes highlighting main points and insights. Or you can ask to extract the top 10 takeaways from this podcast episode, turning them into short study notes with examples. And where we have the last prompts that are to enhance super notes, where you can combine data from multiple sources like text, videos, articles to generate comprehensive fact check study notes on topic. You can ask ChatGPT to rewrite rough notes into professional informative AI polished study notes, improve clarity, structure, and add one summary line per section. So these are the prompts we have given to you that will make your work easier, that will save your time and efforts. So this was all from today, and now you will watch the recording of this whole hour session we have covered today. For today, we are saying you goodbye. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel, like our video, share our video, share with other friends. You think that they need this whole live stream. Meet you tomorrow, same time, with some new updates related to AI. From today,